Hi everyone, welcome to antispywares.net. Today we will see what is password strength checker and why it's a useful tool. Now in most websites when you sign up, you already see a password strength indicator. It turns red or green when you create a new account. You might ask why use a separate password strength checker at all, right? The answer is simple. Those built-in indicators are quick hints. They do not tell you how strong your existing passwords are across all your accounts. They also do not explain why a password is weak or strong or how long it might take to crack that password. This password strength checker tool at antispywares.net is different. It's a dedicated password strength checker you can use anytime without logging into any site. You can test passwords you already use. You can test new ideas before you use them anywhere. You can compare multiple passwords and see which one is really stronger. The tool gives you real numbers like password length, character pool size, entropy, and estimated time to crack that password. It acts as a proper password complexity checker and password strength test, not just a simple colored bar. Another important point is privacy. When you are using this tool, everything runs inside your browser. The password you type is not sent to any server. That makes it useful if you want to check sensitive passwords safely without trusting random websites or sign up forms. So even though many websites show a basic password checker when you create an account, there is still a clear need for an independent, detailed and privacy focused password strength checker like this one. It helps you audit your current passwords, improve them and understand password security in a much deeper way. In this video, I'll show you how to use this tool step by step with real examples. Let's see by real example. Okay, so to use the password strength checker, first you need to log into antispywares.net. Here you will find 15 different type of free tools which you can use, and here is the password strength checker. Let's click on it, and this is the tool. Okay, here you can type your password and you can check the strength, entropy and how much time it will take to crack that password. Now you can type the password here, or you can also see it by clicking here what you are typing. Okay, you can also disable this, enable this. Okay, but here we need to see the example, so we will see what we are typing. Okay, so we have clicked this. Okay, and we will see what we are typing. Now for example, let's say there is a person called Rohan. Okay, and in 2018 he created some password for a website, and he used this password Rohan 2018. Rohan 2018. So he thought that, see, in this password there are alphabets in small and capital, and also there are numbers, right? So a person might think it's a good password because it has alphabets in small, capital and numbers, but if you can check here, it's not a very good password. It's a fair password but not a good password. It has 54 bits of entropy, and it might take 3 months to crack this password if someone is using a password cracking software, some kind of software which hackers usually use. So now here are the suggestions to improve this password. Okay, let's try it out and make our password stronger. Now Rohan 2018, first of all, one thing is you never should use your name in the password, because if somebody is trying to crack your password, he will or she will use details which are connected to you, like your date of birth or your name or something like that. So but okay, let's make this password only better. Okay, now first thing is it doesn't have any special character. Let's add some special character. Now it is strong but not very strong, but again it is showing that it will take 949 years to crack. Okay, let's make it better. increase password length. Consider using a passphrase with multiple words. Okay, let's add one more word. Let's add world. Now it has two words. Okay, both have capital and small alphabet. It has numbers and special character. It's a strong password and it will take years to crack it. See, you can see it, 99 bits, entropy, time to crack, character pool. The tool shows everything in detail, okay, and how you can make the password better. But you need some suggestions as well, which you can read here, how to make your password stronger. You can read these things like best practices for password security. You can read this part, or you should read all the details written here. So it's a useful tool. You can check if you have multiple accounts, multiple passwords you can check it here if it's a good password or not. But few things you already should know, right? Because see, name, it's not a good choice to put your name in the password. You should use something else. Like for example, it's Rohan. You should write maybe line, I don't know, line 202024, something like that. I don't know. It's a very good password. See, the stronger your password will be, it will take more time to crack it. Let's add one more special character. Let's say $sign. See, the time increased. If you increase one more special character, let's say %sign, it increased the time to crack even more. The better your password will be, the more time it will show to crack the password. Plus the entropy bits, you can see it increased from 90 to 118, right? So this is how you can check how good your password is, and it's a very good tool. And while you are using this tool, you can even switch off your internet, because it is no data you are entering here is going to any server. It is in your browser only. So it's a safe, privacy focused tool. Okay, now let's see for whom this password strength checker tool could be useful. It could be useful for regular users who want to check if their old passwords are still safe. See, with the technology changing every day, your password, which could be good for today, might not be good tomorrow, right? So you need to check if your old passwords are good enough for today's tech or not. Secondly, anyone creating a new password for email, banking, or social media and wants to make sure it's a strong password before using it can also use this tool, right? It could be useful for students and teachers who want to understand password security in simple terms. It could be useful for developers and IT staff who want a quick password strength test that shows real numbers and entropy calculations and not just a basic label. It could be useful for parents who want to teach their kids about password security. If you care about online security, this tool gives you a clear and simple way to measure password strength and improve it. So this is how the password strength checker tool on antispywares.net works. Use it anytime you want to test a password, learn how strong it is, and see how to make it better. The tool is completely free and requires no sign up. You can find the tool link in the description below. If this video helped you understand password strength better, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more free security tools and tutorials. And do visit antispywares.net for many free and useful tools. And if you know someone who needs safer passwords, share this video with them. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.